my name is Bachai Kim, and today I'm going to present an exciting idea about the medicinal use of Micania migranta. This is the plant that we are going to talk about. Now let's start off in an introduction. Micania migranta is a tropical plant from the family of Asteraceae. It is commonly known as bitter vine, climbing hem vine, or American rope. It is a vigorously growing perennial creeper. It grows best in a region that has high humidity, light, and soil fertility. Its feather-like seeds are dispersed by the wind. A single stalk can produce up to 20 to 40,000 seeds a season. Now let's get to our main topic, that is the medical use. It is used to heal cuts and stop minor external bleeding. Its medical properties haven't been fully discovered. It is a famous antiseptic medicine used in the state of Mizoram, India. It is locally known as Zapalho. Its uses has also been reported in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Fresh leaves are pounded and then applied over lacerations to stop bleeding and subsequent healing. In Bangladesh, it is used to treat gastric ulcer, and it is also a local antiseptic. In conclusion, Micania migranta is not only just a plant but a medical plant which can become a great help to us if extended research is done. Let's unlock its potential to create a healthier future. Thank you.